did you get into your career?
Before that I do normal stuff as well. And
What's normal stuff?
Just like normal modelling.
Okay. I can imagine.
And,
I can imagine.
The agency I was with, she was a hand and foot model, like quite a big
really?
one, yeah.
Oh, wow.
And she said, "Oh, you've got nice legs and nice feet, and nice hands." I was like, "Oh." And she was like, "I'll put you forward for some things."
Uh-huh.
So then she did, and then my first leg job was for Manolo Blahnik.
Wow.
And I did their campaign.
So when you go for audition, do they say, "Can you put the shoe on for
Yeah.
me?" And then you go. So you travel all around the world, or is it based in London?
It's more London, I'd say.
Mm-hmm.
More based in London.
That's amazing. Is it quite a competitive industry?
Legs, not so much, because it's hard to find size 4.
Uh-huh.
Size 4 and slim legs as well.
Yes.
So
You have definitely. But yeah, I do you do lots of exercise, yoga? What do you do?
I try to do yoga.
Uh-huh. That's quite good for slimming the legs.
Yeah.
Yeah. I did basketball
Basketball.
and football and rugby, so you can imagine.
Because a lot of the time you don't meet the actual client,
Uh-huh.
because they'll hire a studio,
Yeah.
send all their product,
Yeah.
and then you just shoot them with the photographer. ASOS, I could ask someone that's there, "Can I use your discount?" Like if they're friends with them, they don't mind.
Yeah. ASOS good.
Yeah, they're really nice.
Do you do the video modelling with
Yeah,
ASOS?
so you do the catwalk.
Yeah.
To walk,
So how is that like? Is the studio big?
No, yeah. It's not huge.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's more me getting paranoid about these two, because I know they're there, and like
Yeah.
I don't know if other people notice them as well as I do. But
I think maybe a layman person. So like I said, we don't want to remove too much, it becomes too raw. I think this is enough.
This is auto foam, and it will harden like jelly. So it's nice and pink. I hope you like pink.
yeah, I love pink.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
There's no other color. I think there's blue, but we prefer pink. So let's see how well this. Sorry. You see they're straightening a little bit more. So when you hit the ground, hopefully these won't rub against the footwear. It sprays the toe a little bit more, put it in a more correct position. So we're just going to let that set. Takes a couple of minutes.